In this video, I'll share 10 steps for you to become a full-time copywriter in 2023, even if you're 14, 15, or 16 years old. You can do this from anywhere in the world and start making money with copywriting in the next 30 to 60 days. Let's dive into the steps. Learn the fundamentals. Start by mastering the basics of copywriting, including understanding the three main email structures, using AI and GPT to enhance your writing, regularly getting your copy reviewed by others, and building a swipe file. Choose a niche. Select the niche that you're interested in and know about. This ensures you can relate to your audience and understand the technical terms. Choose a viable niche by checking how many copywriters are successful in that area. Practice daily. Improve your copywriting skills by writing every day, submitting your work for review in communities like Discord, and analyzing other copy to understand its structure, target audience, and offer. Create a digital business card. Instagram. Build an Instagram profile showcasing your face, expertise in marketing and copywriting, a glimpse of your lifestyle, and results/testimonials from past clients. You don't need a massive following initially. Secure your first client. Develop a low-risk offer, like a discovery project, commission deal, or free trial, to prove your value. Expect that landing your first client might take some time, but it gets easier with practice. Outreach. Leverage your Instagram profile to reach out to potential clients. Learn effective outreach strategies to connect with businesses and offer your copywriting services. Join a copywriting community. Engage with like-minded copywriters in communities like the 4D Copywriting Discord server. Share and review copy, exchange ideas, and stay motivated. Get your first retainer client. Once you have experience and success, aim for retainer clients who pay you a fixed amount monthly for your copywriting services. This provides stability and allows you to scale. Seek referrals. Encourage satisfied clients to refer you to others. Word of mouth can be a powerful way to gain new clients without constant outreach. Become irreplaceable. Continuously improve your skills. Expand your knowledge in marketing, email marketing, and sales funnels. This positions you as an invaluable asset, opening doors to new opportunities and higher income. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to becoming a successful copywriter earning $10K a month or more. Good luck!